Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel PKA Wheel 2024. Today, we've got something super exciting for you, the all-new 2025 Toyota Fortuner pickup. If you're a fan of rugged off-road adventures and versatile trucks, you're definitely going to want to stick around. Let's dive into everything this beast has to offer. First up, let's talk about the exterior design of the 2025 Fortuner pickup. Toyota has really outdone themselves with this one. From the bold new grille to the sleek LED headlights, this truck means business. Check out these sharp lines and muscular fenders. They give the Fortuner pickup a commanding presence on the road. The new grille features Toyota's iconic logo front and center, surrounded by a robust and aggressive design. The LED headlights are not just stylish, but also provide excellent visibility. And let's not forget about the new 18-inch alloy wheels. They add a touch of sophistication while still being tough enough for off-road terrain. And check out the bed. It's spacious and built to handle whatever you throw at it. Whether you're hoarding gear for a camping trip or carrying heavy loads for work, this truck has you covered. Now let's take a look inside. The 2025 Fortuner pickup doesn't just look good on the outside. The interior is packed with features that make every drive enjoyable. Inside, you'll find a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. With the latest Toyota multimedia software, it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL sound system for those long road trips or off-road adventures. The leather-trimmed seats are both comfortable and durable, and there's plenty of space for both driver and passengers. The seats are fully adjustable, and there's also a comprehensive driver's display that gives you all the vital information you need at a glance. Let's pop the hood and see what's under the bonnet. The 2025 Fortuner pickup comes with a choice of engines. There's a 2.8L turbo diesel engine that delivers 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. That's more than enough power for both on-road cruising and off-road excursions. This engine is paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and efficient driving. Plus, it features a full-time forward system with multiple terrain modes to handle different driving conditions. On the road, the Fortuner pickup offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether you're tackling city streets or rough trails, this truck delivers. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Fortuner pickup. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies are designed to keep you and your passengers safe, no matter where your adventures take you. And don't forget about the 360-degree camera system, which provides a complete view around the vehicle to make parking and maneuvering easier. So there you have it, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner pickup. It's a fantastic blend of rugged capability, modern technology, and stylish design. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just need a reliable truck for daily tasks, the Fortuner pickup is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name, and ring the bell for more awesome car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Fortuner pickup, or if there's another vehicle you'd like us to check out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.